my boneless furniture journey? Well, today it's about to get even weirder because I found an inflatable version of a chaise for only $19. I know, $19. I've been loving my new premium chaise, but for a fraction of the price, I've gotta know, is this a genius budget hack, or am I about to spend the next 20 minutes battling a pool floaty in my living room? Today we're going to be doing a side-by-side showdown. The $19 inflatable versus the premium boneless chaise lounge. We're testing comfort, and then we're going to see, is a $19 inflatable chaise actually going to survive a movie night? This is the inflatable couch, okay? This is the picture of what it's supposed to look like. It looks pretty nice, okay? But honestly, for me, I'm like, if I was actually gonna use this, I feel like depending on how hard it is to blow this up myself, this could be great for like the beach or something like that. But this is what it came like. It just, you know, an inflatable, as you would suspect one to be. It's pretty small actually, so nowhere near the same size as the chaise lounge, but it's okay. There are two mouthpieces, so I'm like, what, do you guys expect two people just mouth in mouth, like, because why else would you got two of them? Let's get inflating, because I'm a little concerned about how I'm supposed to do this myself. I've got baby lungs. Oh my goodness. I didn't even get the butt. Okay, this is supposed to be the butt of the chair. I didn't even blow the butt up. Didn't even blow the butt up. Well, we may have to order one of those little pump things on Amazon and do it that way because my lips already hurt and I literally haven't even made a dent. I literally have a date in like an hour. And it's like, what is he gonna ask me? Oh, how was your day? What did you do? And then I'm supposed to be like, oh yeah, like I just spent the afternoon blowing up this couch that's inflatable. I wasn't able to inflate this myself, so I went onto Amazon and got this. This is the Nano Pump 5, which is basically a portable handheld inflatable pump, and I guess we'll be testing that out as well. Okay, so this thing has like 5 million different pieces to it. I also see that it's something that might have to be charged, and also you guys can see these like double-sided like holes that I was talking about. There's like one here and one here. This one is for like the main bottom part where you actually sit, and then this one I believe is like for the back cushion and the armed section of it. Alright, so I've actually figured it out. Basically what happened is I was putting it on this hole here when I needed to put it on this one right here. So we're going to try that now and see if that makes it inflate this time. Let's see. I don't know why part of me is like waiting for it to like blow up or something. Now we're actually getting somewhere, y'all. This is taking so much longer than the butt part. Oh. So what in the actual heck is this, guys? I never thought I'd be able to actually carry a chaise lounge on my one arm, but I guess that's what you get when you buy a $19 inflatable chaise lounge. What I really want to see is how we can actually style this to make it look cute. I don't know if I'll actually keep it in my living room, but I think just for the heck of it, we should try and style it to see if it's even possible to make it look luxurious. This is so funny to me. It's really short, really low down to the ground. I feel like this is something that you could use at the beach, or if you're on a camping trip and you want to like have a nice chair, I guess. Especially given the fact that it was only about 20 bucks. That means you could theoretically buy it for a bunch of people, and then that way you guys can have a fun little picnic out in a tent or something. The biggest thing I want to try to do to make this like so much cuter and nicer is putting this white fur blanket on it and kind of like making that the fabric for it, you know? I don't know. Guys, I don't like this. I can't even lie to you. Like, this is not it. I don't know how I could possibly make this cute. Please don't put this in your living room. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. And it's like literally deflating already. I mean, it feels like kind of comfortable, honestly. It's really small, and if you have mobility issues, this is going to be an absolute nightmare. Don't touch it with a 10-foot pole. I'm a castle on the cloud. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you like and subscribe, and it helps me out so much when you do. Let me know what you guys think down below, what products I should buy and test out next time so that you guys don't have to buy it yourself. Make sure you check me out on all my other social media platforms in the links in the description box down below. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Peace on the street.